So this app, the Detect Sleep app that Cursor has built for me, well, I think we are almost done. I was mentioning this in a previous video. If you wish, it's on my YouTube channel. So Cursor is even like, if you are a little bit original, if you think out of the box, Cursor can help you too. Recently, I was lazy and I wanted to have Cursor to generate screenshots for me. And it can do it for you. Usually it would create SVG files first and then convert them to PNG. It doesn't work every time, I have to be honest, but most of the time it does. And you see, that's very smart what it does with a sample of the screenshot. So I think it did update the README too. So what I can do, if I go here, generate, if I go generate to the script, oh, it didn't. Wait, so let's speak to our model. So I'm using Claude. I will do, yeah, that's perfect. Oh, we have Max now. I didn't see that one yet. And the thinking, I will turn it off. Maximum intelligence and context. Oh, but it's a premium one, apparently. 5 cents request per to use. Interesting, the max one. Okay, so can you explain how to properly use, oh, I did a typo, but that's okay. Claude AI will understand that. Use generate screenshots .sh and explain this in the README. All right, and now we just have to wait to have the answer done for us. Yes, we wait, but we are nearly there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it's a bit slow, but that's okay. You know, we can have a sip of coffee or just thinking of other ideas or learning. Again, it's not because we have AI that we should stop learning. Actually, we should never stop learning and researching. That's extremely important. So here, okay, so we have a new section here in our README. That's nice. And so it does explain for us. Yes, I think what I don't have is the ImageMagick. Yeah, I will actually install it. That's fine. So install, and we can even ask Claude to install it for us. So again, in the agent, in the chat, you can say, please, can you run brew install ImageMagick, and it will do it for you. And at some point, it depends of how you write your prompt, but it would also run it automatically for you. But here it's because I didn't really ask to install those dependencies, and probably it didn't know that I would need the dependencies or not, depending, like I could have it already installed on my Mac OS, of course. So, oh, and here, what it wants to submit, I see it, it has built, has completed successfully, but Android build, oh yeah, has. Indeed, there are usually issues with Android build, but I think I don't have credit anymore on my Expo account, and that might be an issue. I have to create the build locally because of this. We are just waiting for ImageMagick to be installed. You see, so it's running the commands for me, but again, there will be an issue here because, yeah, Expo, I think they do offer you 30 builds in the pipeline per month for free, and then after that, you have to either build it on your local, on your machine, for each build for Android, iOS, and so on, or to upgrade your plan. As simple as that. So let's see, but I guess it will fail for me, but it doesn't mean it will fail for you. So that's why I keep it in the video. All right, so now I have this. I have ImageMagick. That's really nice. Let's make sure the permissions are correct as well. Lovely. And now, showtime. Let's run the script. Generate screenshots. Yes. Let's see how it works. Is it good or bad? We can checking the assets screenshots. You know, it's AI made. Like, you shouldn't expect something made by. It's okay actually. I spoke too quickly. It's not too bad. No, it's fine. Like even someone like an intern could do the same, in a way. All right, so that's nice. We have our lovely screenshots. Oh, of course, why I'm writing the commit message. Let's keep our brain busy for something else. So automatically, when we click on the stars, we have the commit message. So now that's a commit. And it's even nicer than what I would have wrote. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes I still do it manually. I still write the commit messages manually because I still believe in the power of having nice commit. It's important to nicely commit your code and your changes, especially when you have to debug, especially for that. So what I was about to do now. Yes, we are. What else do we need? That's nice. I will accept the changes here. The generate screenshots. Yes. Customize screenshots. And then that screenshot. Save token screen. Yeah, that's nice. We have 5. It's when we bin it. Before submission. Nice, even though it's not really appealing in like when I see those kind of screenshots, I don't really want to download the app. I'm not sure for you, but for me, the screenshots, maybe I will show you on my phone, but it has to be very more appealing, let's say, for the user. But yeah, that's okay. All right, so now I'm just looking at the other things. Like when you open Cursor, it's nice, and that will save you so much time. It's really important, really nice to know exactly what you want to be built and to have an action plan. An action plan you would already write in your notebook, and so you know exactly what to write. You know A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on. And then what to write or what to do. And then when you open Cursor, you know exactly what has to be done, what has to be built, and you are not losing time because it's easy to think about too many things when we wait Cursor to finish its things. We might do something else, and then context switching is never good, and you will lose track of what you are doing. So knowing exactly what has to be done by today, by 12, by noon, is crucial. All right. So, and that's what I'm looking here on the README. What else I need to update in the README? And I will also, after I will write another prompt, probably for adding a new feature. And the feature would be subscriptions, because I think I don't have subscriptions in this app. I doubt that I do, so we will do that, and that will be super fun to have this done. All right. You got 8 hours of sleep. Security for most adults. I like this. So it's checking the amount of sleep. Can you add a basic but very nice, basic but appealing, consistent for this app payroll that will ask the user again the way I write, and now I realize maybe we should make it a little bit more clear so we don't have misunderstanding with AI. So can you create a subscription thing? Maybe not yet, actually. Maybe no subscriptions yet, because it also adds more setup, and there are no people using the app yet, so probably not yet. Can you add an integration with Health, Apple Health, what's the name? I think it's the Apple Health, right? Apple Health. Yes, that's right. And Android. And Android, Google. I don't know the name of the one for Android. Android Health app. The default one. Let's see. Let's see what it is. Android or Google Fit. Okay. Default one, yes. Perfect, Google Fit. So that will be in the meantime. So let's see. Oh, yes, you can do that. I forgot. You have to wait. This is why like cursor is not perfect. It's because, at least not perfect yet, because when I send a new prompt, it will stop this one. So it was about to build, about to finish, and just, you see, comment cancelled. So it will be over. Oh, that's fine. It is what it is. And so you see there, it will automatically install the packages I need. We don't use Yarn here, no, we use NPM. You have to be careful on existing projects. If you use Yarn or PNPM, it will not really see this. I'm not sure why, because for Yarn you have yarn.log, and the same for PNPM. It shouldn't, but it will still use NPM instead. And so yeah, you have to be careful. You have to specify. Please use PNPM. Please use Yarn. Please use what version? Yarn v3, Yarn v4, Yarn v1. All right. So here that's okay. Oh yeah, it's still finishing. That's fine. So you see, we are nearly there. I will stop here because now probably is the boring part. Just waiting for having this finished, and then we need to have the build to be completed. I will probably make another video once I am there. But I hope this video was helpful. I hope you liked this video, and I wish you a happy AI coding. See you in another